too serious. If your mom knew how I was fucking this beat, she would be furious. I can't even see myself, it's like I'm mirrorless. So most of them will never see me like I'm the pyramids. Flower than I swear I'm so cliche. I'm holding dope like the vial that they sold full of bass. Smoke in my face, coconut water in triple cup. Got some ice in it, rolled up a blunt, hopped on my bike, lit it. Smoking and rolling, I give a fuck about the rollers. I said I'm dipping and riding, I'm high as fuck, I'm a smoker. Remember sipping that Texas and I still listen to Oakland. I move around a little bit but always repping for Kansas. I hold that K up on my back like I'm stepping for the cartel. If you ain't matching for the planes then you taking a hard L. You ain't matching what I'm matching and this isn't RL. Smoking this shit alone and saving it for myself. Never made a call for help, I just made a call for him. Got a permanent position, I don't work well with these temps. I'm outside like a tent, heart is black, I got it tinted. Whip ain't perfect nor is it rented, bitch I had to go and get it. Load the semi, oops, wrong guy, that shit ain't me. Going to prison sounds gay, and that shit ain't cheap. Somebody gotta pay for the time Bubba was smashing his cheeks. And more taxes don't sound attractive to me, maybe that's me. They're fake conscious, just talking, that shit ain't really that deep. I make a song just fucking around and say more than the EP. I don't like shit, it's shit I don't like. Earl sweatshirt, Chief Keef, that probably went over your head, fuck it.